I made over 1 million in less than 1 week on Celeste, and in the next 10 minutes I will show you exactly how I did that. Now let's be honest, I didn't believe it at first, but in less than a week I was able to make 1 million on Celeste. But this is not luck. If you're watching this, chances are you're tired of online promises that don't pay. I've been there, scrolling every day, trying different platforms, hoping one will finally work. Then I found Celeste and everything changed massively. When I started Celeste, I followed the system exactly how it was designed. I didn't overthink it. I stayed consistent, and in less than a week, I crossed 1 million on Celeste. That's when I knew this platform was different. The first thing that makes this platform powerful is multiple earning features. You earn from different online activities, watching content, reviews, uploads, TikTok engagement, referrals, and bonuses. You are not relying on just one source of income. Secondly, Celeste pays in euros, not in naira. That alone changes the game. Your earnings hold more value, and when converted, you feel the difference. Now thirdly, Celeste rewards growth. The more you earn and scale, the more cash incentives and bonus you unlock. This isn't a platform that caps you, it encourages you to go bigger and bigger. But here's the part that most people miss. I didn't just join Celeste, I built a mentorship system around it. I guide my students step by step so they avoid mistakes and start earning faster. And it's working. My students are getting results, daily earnings, weekly payouts, and steady growth. Some of them had zero experience online before this, and the difference is guidance and consistency. Here are some of the results of my students from my mentorship. And this is Clinton. He has made over 100,000 naira on Celeste. And here are some other of my students that have made over 1 million naira on Celeste. This guy has made over 200k. This one have made over 500 euros on Celeste. This has made over 200 euros on Celeste, and so on and so forth. The list keeps on going. All my students are cashing out massively on Celeste, and some of them have gone on to also make over 1 million on Celeste. If you are serious about making money online and you don't want to figure everything out alone, this is your opportunity. Join Celeste and plug into my mentorship right now, and let's build results, not stories. Click on the link down in the description, celeste.com.ng. Once you go into the website, you get registered. That is my registration link. You get registered, and I will be able to mentor you properly on how you can get paid on Celeste. So that'll be the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you'll be alerted anytime that we drop a new update. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Celeste. So right now we are on the Celeste website. What you are going to do is to go to your browser and browse celeste.com.ng. as you can see right here, celeste.com.ng. Immediately you browse it, you appear on this website. Now once you appear on this website, make sure that you confirm that you are on the right website. Don't go into the wrong one. So once you confirm this, you come over here and click get started. Now once you click on get started, you appear here. Now in this page you have to put in your registration details. So you come over here, you put in your name. So I have an account, so that's why it showed me this preset. Then you put in your Gmail address, you put in your password. After putting in your password, you come over here and select the package you're going for. Are you going for the Hero Lite package? Are you going for the Hero Max package? So I recommend the Hero Max package because it is the best so far, and it pays you more for little activities and little digital activities that you perform on Celeste. So once you select it, you click on continue and start. Now your account is registered and you are halfway through. Now all you have to do next is to activate your account because your account is currently inactive. Now you can see that your account is inactive, which means you cannot earn and you cannot claim your registration bonus because of you have not activated your account. So to activate your account, click here. Now proceed to payment. Now which package are we going for? We're going for the Hero Max package. Now you can either make payment through the manual payment method, which you confirm your payment through a merchant on Celeste, or you can go through the automatic payment method. This is faster for OP users, and you will still confirm your payment through a merchant on Celeste. So all you have to do, so I'm going for the manual payment method. I'll click on manual. Now I'm going for the Hero Max package right here. So I'll come over here, put in my full name, my Gmail address and my number. Once I'm done with that, I'll click over here where it says this account number. I'll copy this account details and I'll go to my bank account and make payment to it right now. So once I finish doing it, I'll click on I've made payment and I'll be redirected to an admin that will process my payment. So let me process it real quick. Alright, I just made payment to the merchant. Now I'll click on I've paid. Click on OK. Alright, so I'll click on send and I'll attach the payment. So immediately you are done with this, you just wait for a reply from the vendors. I just received a reply, so after this the payment will be verified and your account will be activated.